going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book. The new Road Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
And right now we have Bitcoin and cryptos pulling back. Also, we have the stock market flat. Do not forget, guys, tomorrow we have options. And I definitely see a pullback in stocks and cryptos. As we can see, yields are rising. If yields are rising, it's going to hit stocks and cryptos. Don't let anyone take you off of the fundamentals. And I told you last week that we will pump slightly Thursday and Friday. We did that. But this week, I definitely see us pulling back. Not your financial advice, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But guys, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, which we see are up. Volume, Tether, and USDC. And we see stable coins attached to the United States dollar being circulated across the globe. Now we have Tether to make the actual stable coin available to 2,400 ATMs in Brazil. And we see the strong dollar crushing global economy. But we know that is all part of the plan. And then, guys, of course, we have the Fed, which the repo is over $2.2 trillion. We are only a couple weeks away from midterms, and we know Republicans probably will take back over the Senate at least. And then they can move fast forward with the Hegelian dialectic. We have Xi being voted in, and that will set up the China versus U.S. clash. And we know Republicans have their agenda, Democrats have their agenda, but both of them are moving in the same direction, and that's to the NWO's agenda. And we know that's the 4th industrial revolution, where the robots, algorithms, and drones take over the economy, pay each other with crypto, and the sheep go inside the metaverse. And guys, make sure you're watching my short videos. I'm going to be going through the economy, showing how automation is going to go through the economy. Now, in October, guys, we received a break because we didn't have any rate hike. November and December, we're going to be getting another rate hike, and it's going to be 75 basis points because inflation is still high. We saw the UK inflation come in at 10%. So guys, they're going to keep this foot on the gas, especially for the United States, because they keep saying the American consumer is in great shape and the job market is in great shape. So that means the American economy is in great shape. But guys, we know what the setup plan is. Because they raised rates so fast, we're not getting the full effect. They know it takes a year to 2 years to get the effect. And then on top of it, they gave these big corporations a 15% tax and then raised wages, which we know they're going to use as an excuse to lay people off. We know these big corporations should have been paying way higher wages anyway. But the fact is, guys, this is all a setup plan. Remember, the NWO caused the problem. Wait for the reaction and run in with the solution. They're causing a problem right now. We see all the narratives they're throwing out there. 2023 and 2024, the people are going to react. We know during the holidays, people are distracted. We know the first 3 months of every year, people get their income taxes. So again, they're distracted. But that's the time the stock market takes the biggest hit. But we know the masses don't care about the stock market. They're not invested anyway. But this time it's going to spill over to the global economy and everybody's going to take a hit. So stocks and cryptos are going to be taking a beating. We know that we have over 21,000 cryptos, and we know only half of 1% are going to make it through this storm. And we're starting to see a clear picture on the ones that are going to make it, if you're in the crypto space. And we have all the billionaires sending out warnings. So we had Jeff Bezos send out the warning, batten down the hatches, a recession is definitely coming. Guys, we know we're already in a recession. We're going to have a Great Depression. So it's definitely time to get your friends and family educated and then also make adjustments in your own budget. I know you say your friends and family don't listen, but right now the picture is easy to see that we're going to have some rough times ahead. Now, guys, we also have Grayscale at about 16.7 billion, dropped down slightly. Make sure you're paying attention to the actual allocations. But getting over into a little crypto news, we have Europe's N26 bank launches crypto trading service with Bitpanda, and it's going to make over 200 cryptocurrencies available. Now, this bank actually was available in the United States, but now their focus is just Europe. But the bank is over $9 billion. But guys, we're seeing the big banks and big corporations are slowly moving into crypto trading, and crypto trading is what is going to get them the fees. That's what banks get, fees. That's how they make their money. Now we have Fidelity offers Ethereum custody and trading for institutional clients. And again, guys, you're talking about a behemoth, over $4 trillion in assets, and we see Fidelity constantly making moves to the digital economy. Remember, guys, all stocks are going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. Now we have Binance, of course, pushing adoption. Binance gains 4th European approval in Cyprus. And then also we had Binance delegates 13 million Uni tokens, becoming Uniswap DAO's 2nd largest vote holder, right behind Andreessen, my guy. But CZ said it was actually a mistake. Now we had Binance.US hires ex-FBI agent as first head of investigations. And again, guys, we see the alphabet boys moving into crypto. And now we have Oanda is launching a trading ecosystem for the U.S. with Paxos Trust Company. And again, guys, Paxos comes up. And we know Paxos is working on real-time settlement. And we know that's going to change everything that we do in trading. Remember, it takes 3 to 4 days to settle now. Once they get this up and running, you're talking about real-time settlement. All that liquidity will be released. And lastly, we have Andreessen, my guy, hires Patrick McHenry, staffer, as the new head of government affairs. And guys, we know they're going to be lobbying these politicians to get what they want. And we know these politicians are paid and bought for. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, It's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The stock channel, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, spread everywhere. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got home stocks, the C-Word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. Powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.